You need a lot of data. And there's another research article that showed that if you want to make a linear improvement of an LLM at a certain task, you need exponentially more data about that task with examples of how to do that task, right? Which means that it's not a very effective use of data. If you want, you need quite a lot of data. And the problem with AI is with edge cases, with things that don't happen very often, with questions that aren't asked very frequently. So how are we ever going to have enough data for that when we've already almost exhausted publicly available data, right? Yeah, you could have private data potentially added, but that's not very scalable. You could have manually created data specifically, which they are already doing. So the way they're trying to align ChatGPT to the user's goal, which is, I want an appropriate response. Don't say anything, inadequate or stuff like that. It's by creating manual examples. They also doing it, or they improve it at certain tasks by, they have an army of people who create examples of desired outputs by hand, right? But you can only do that on common things, common questions. It's not scalable either. So the bottleneck in terms of data will probably be reached very soon. If it hasn't, if we're not there yet.